ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹುಟ್ಟುದು ಮುಂಬೈ ಮಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಳು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love, for the affection. Luckily, I have original hair and it's not a wig. Otherwise, it would have been a big problem.
ಸುನೀಲ್ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಸುನೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ he still looks the same ಧಡ್ಕನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I wish I was Anjali sir and not Anushri.
But I'm lucky. It's good you're not Anjali because Anjali didn't come to me. She went to Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, correct.
So if you are not good, you're not Anjali.
Yeah. I'm Anushri but not Anuradha from Hera Fairy.
Anushri, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Rupesh told me that you're one of the best that there is in the business. Thank you for encouraging such, though I don't believe in small cinema, but Tulu cinema is the first birth of Tulu cinema that has gone larger than life. And thanks to Anirada, Sudhakar for believing that you can do something that is exceptional. I've seen the reactions of people from Qatar, from Dubai, from Goa, from all these places, and it's been extraordinary. Small can be very, very big. The Big Brother, Kannada films started small. Today, they're the #1 cinema in the country. Though the proud feeling is that it is a Indian cinema. So I think the younger brother, the Tulunad and Tulu cinema, is also following in that footsteps, and Rupesh has made that possible. Not only as an actor, as a director, as one of the most hard-working boys I have ever seen. And when you work so hard, there is no way you cannot be successful. Because nobody can change the destination of a man who believes he can do it. And I think Rupesh is one such child who's managed to do it and put an extraordinary film together. My intention to do a Tulu film was only to encourage Tulu cinema and not for anything else. I expected passionate people to be working in the film, but I didn't expect that this should be made at such a scale, such a level. So hats off to the producers once again, the entire team that is responsible for such a beautiful film. Whether it will work or it will not work depends on the audience, depends on the people. But honestly, my request would be, it's a humble attempt of trying to showcase our culture to the world, just like a Kantara probably did it for Tuluvar and Tulunad. So whether it is Rishabh or his entire team, I would thank them for putting us on the world map. Likewise, I would thank Anil, Sudhakarana and Rupesh for putting Tulu cinema on the India map, hoping that it would cross borders and the subject would speak for itself. Thank you very much once again for the love and affection. I was itna kahunga, Guruvana, you sang the Dhadkan song so beautifully. So I'd end that singing by saying Anjali. अंजलि मैं तुम्हें भूल जाने हो नहीं सकता और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा. तुम मेरी हो और हमेशा मेरी रहोगी. Anjali left Dev and went to Ram. I think that was the biggest mistake. She should have stayed with Dev.
Yes. There's nobody like Dev who can love Anjali more than Dev. Thank you very much, sir.